Hello, this is David Marsh with Emini tradingstrategies.com. I'd like to thank you for taking the time today to watch this video. This will be the first of a series of videos that we will be presenting. In this particular video, we will simply go over some of the basics of the tick trader methods. In subsequent videos, we will show real-time trades so you can get a feel for the system. We'll also be showing a video featuring our new auto trade software program taking live trades as they happen. You'll notice on the screen here we have some blue and red dots. These are produced from the auto trade software. We have them illustrated to show where our valid entries are at. So of course we removed our indicators as not to give them away and put the software in its place so you can see where the trades go off at. I would like to point out that the auto trade software is not needed. It's a separately sold program that will allow you to auto trade the methods on TradeStation. Some people like that, some people don't. In any case, you don't need it. The manual and the training videos teach you everything you need to know to find the exact same trades as the software is finding. You'll also know in advance when the trades are forming. You won't just pop up and say, oh, we got a trade. You'll know well in advance up here that we do have a trade forming. Now, the tick trader goals are quite simple. We trade for a daily paycheck and nothing more. Our paycheck consists of one S&P point a day. In other words, $50 per contract. A 20 contract trader would be earning $1,000 a day trading for 1 point a day. Now, the system will find trades all day long, and we're going to go over some of those trades. And I got to admit, some days the system will make 4, 5, 6, several points a day. However, I really have no interest in trading all day long. I simply like to trade for a quick point and walk away from the table, and I do this every day. Now, I understand some people like to trade longer, and in our new manual we will be showing some longer term strategies that will allow you to follow trends longer throughout the day and make more profit. So let's look at a quick couple trades. This first short signal, the opening bell was right around right here. We got a nice short trade right here. We entered on a limit. We made our quick 2-tick profit, and that's what I do. I like to make the first trade for 2 ticks, make the second trade for 2 ticks, and I walk away. Now, there's some variations. You can go for 3 ticks. Some guys will go for 3 ticks on each trade. We do use tick charts, and you can use any tick chart you want. You can start all the way down to 20 ticks if you want and move up to, I think, 4,007 ticks. I go on the lower end of the scale between 100 ticks and up to about 1,000 ticks, and when you get higher up in the range, like 7, 8, 900 tick, that's going to give you less trades per day, but more movement per trade. Of course, on the lower end, you're going to get a lot more trades per day and less movement throughout the day. But I go on the lower end as my bread and butter and scalp a couple quick ticks and a couple quick ticks, and I walk away. Don't underestimate the power of making 1 point a day. Okay? Person starting off trading 10 contracts making $500 a day, folks, that's a pretty good living. Okay, you work your way up to 20, 25 contracts, you're making $1,000, $1,500 a day. That's very good money. So back to the trades here. We have one short trade here that was a winner. We had a long trade here that was a winner. And then we had another short trade here that was a winner. Now, I'm going to point out there's my email address if you didn't see it already in my URL. I'm going to scroll forward here and move through a couple more trades. Here was a nice short trade. So there's three for 3 on the winners. And again, you're done for the day. One of the things I teach my students is to avoid the second and third hour of the trading day. The first hour is usually the best. Then later in the day, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Eastern time, by the way, you get some more volume coming in and some nice moves. But technically, after the first hour, the markets tend to get slower, they tend to get more choppier, and it's not the best time to trade. So we had a short trade there, a long trade, and that was a loser. So we lost a little bit on that one, and you made some money back. And here's another long. Yeah, here's a long trade. I don't know if it's going to win yet. Okay, and it's a winner. I don't know what's going to happen next. I didn't try to cherry pick a chart and find a great chart. I'm taking today's chart, and that's what I'm doing. So that's a long trade. Here's a short trade. Looks like it's going to go against us. Nope, maybe not. Nope, it's a good one. Turns out to be a winner. Here's a long. Another winner. And let's see if we can, no, very nice winner. Let's see if we can find one more here. Here's a short, and for one more winner. So within the first hour of the day, we had 7 or 8 trades. One of them lost. These are very typical results you're going to see with the tick trader methods. I'm going to teach you the rules. I'm going to teach you the indicators. I'm going to teach you the setups. I'm even going to teach you more advanced strategies that allow you to get into a trade again and get into a trade earlier, as well as going on to a longer term tick chart and following these trends a lot longer for those who want to trade all day and try to make more than 1 point a day. I realize not everybody is going to be happy with 1 point a day like I am. I'm ecstatic making 1 point a day. But again, so in our new manual, we're going to show these new strategies that will allow you to capture more than 1 point a day. So I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We'll be putting up some more videos here in the very short future, so please look out for them. And if you have any questions, please email me at info@eminitradingstrategies.com. Thank you.